What's up, everyone? This is Donovan. I got a title card. I'll show you. Today's episode is Volkswagen pulled the fire alarm and gets grounded. Enjoy the show. Volkswagen pulled the fire alarm. Alright, class. Today we're going to do algebra teacher languages. Excuse me, Mr. Blockcar. Can I go to the restroom? Yes, you may. Volkswagen, make sure you take your hall pass. You can go ahead. Please come back for 10 minutes. Thanks, teacher. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. I gotta get the heck out of what's going on? Maybe it's a fire alarm. Single file. Climb on the board, please. Hurry up. Let's roll. The good news is no fire. The bad news is someone pulled down the fire alarm. I knew it was. It was Volkswagen. Volkswagen, get over here right now. What is it, Mr. Blockcar? Did you dare pull the fire alarm? Yes. That's it. Go home right now. Volkswagen, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 2 months till summer. I grew a Ford truck van. Go to your room right now. No! Bum. The end. Presented by Double Cartoons 2020. The Decades.